under God likely to remain in pledge despite latest challenge, attorney says, U.S. News. MSN. Outlook. More. Autos. My MSN. Video. Careers and jobs. Personals. Weather. Delish. Quotes. White pages. Games. Real estate. Wonderwall. Horoscopes. Shopping. Yellow pages. Local edition. Traffic. Feedback. Maps and directions. Travel. Full MSN index. Bing. News.com. Today. Nightly news. Meet the press. Dateline. MSNBC. Breaking news. Newsvine. Home. U.S. World. Politics. Business. Sports. Entertainment. Health. Tech. Science. Travel. Local. Weather. Advertise vertical bracket ad choices. Recommended. 3 rescued from Alaska volcano after ice-covered helicopter blades. Recommended. Carnival cruise ship crew member airlifted after falling. Recommended. 5 hurt as bleachers collapse at Ohio high school football game. Recommended. Speed demon charged in 24-minute race around Manhattan captured in video. Header point top underscore header left curly bracket background image. URL http://cd.lib.newsvine.com/chrome/asnewsfromcheese/images/header.jpg equals 10,479. Right curly bracket footer point links left curly bracket background image. URL http://cd.lib.newsvine.com/chrome/asnewsfromcheese/images/footer.jpg right curly bracket. NBC News reporters bring you compelling stories from across the nation. For more U.S. news, follow us on Twitter and Facebook. About this blog archives. Email updates follow on Twitter. Subscribe to RSS. 11:23 comments. Print. 60 minutes ago. Under God likely to remain in pledge despite latest challenge, attorney says. Clay Jackson, AP file. Bergen Independent students in Bergen, Kentucky, recite the Pledge of Allegiance of the United States Thursday, August 1, 2013. By Matthew DeLuca, staff writer, NBC News. The presence of the Almighty in the Pledge of Allegiance has resisted numerous challenges over the years, and a lawyer who intervened in behalf of a family in a suburban Massachusetts school district doesn't expect that to change with a new challenge. A ruling to strike out the phrase "under God" in classroom recitations of the pledge in equal rights grounds would represent a major break with federal law, said attorney Eric Raspach, who is representing a family that would like to have their child continue to say the pledge every day without any changes to the wording. The deputy counsel of the Washington, D.C.-based Becket Fund for Religious Liberty, Raspach described himself as a Presbyterian, and said he doesn't remember saying the pledge in middle or high school. The Becket Fund has represented members of many other religious groups in the past, as well as atheists, he said. Advertise vertical bracket ad choices. Nobody has to say the words "under God" or the pledge at all, said Raspach. That's an extremely important thing that most people don't realize. You can't compel people to say the pledge, and if someone was compelled to say the pledge, I'd be on the other side of the case. The suit filed in Massachusetts may offer a new challenge to the pledge. The anonymous plaintiffs claim that the phrase is a violation of Massachusetts equal rights laws, but the idea of standing up in front of a flag and saying words to it has incited controversy for most of the pledge's 120-year history. The pledge, published in 1892, was first challenged in religious grounds in 1943, before the reference to God was even written in. That year, in West Virginia State Board of Education v. Barnett, the Supreme Court ruled that students could not be compelled to salute or say the pledge in classrooms, after a Jehovah's